The market is currently in a state of limbo, and a lot of people are wondering, was the Pi cycle top correct, and was this truly the top of the bull run, or is there still a lot of room to go? Hey guys, my name is Majd, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to go over some Cardano news. I'm also going to be talking about the state of the market as a whole. We're also going to do some Cardano technical analysis, and we're also going to talk about meme coins, because that seems to be a really big thing nowadays. Not just Dogecoin, there's a bunch of meme coins like elongate, Safe Moon, Safe Doge, Safe Mars, just so many crazy meme coins, and I have a really funny story to share about a specific meme coin. But anyways, before we get into the video, I want to remind you to hit that like button, also hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the video. So starting on CoinMarketCap, you can see Bitcoin's trading at around 55,800, we have Ethereum at $2,400, up 12% on the week, so Ethereum is still performing pretty well. BNB is back close to $600 at $577, and we have ADA at $1.25 again, close to that stable coin valuation at $1.18 once again. And Doge is still in the number 7 spot, and I have to admit, I did not think Doge could sustain a position in the top 10 for this long. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And speaking of Dogecoin, speaking of meme coins, there's this one called Elongate that my friend talked to me about, and he invested like $2,000 in Elongate through me, so he gave me the money to buy it for him on PancakeSwap, and that $2,000 is now close to $20,000, which is absolutely ridiculous. I don't even know what to say. I mean, clearly meme coins are doing insanely well. It's not personally my cup of tea. I don't invest in meme coins. But I definitely understand the people that do. I mean, there's clearly a lot of money to be made in meme coins. I can't tell you to invest in them because they have no fundamentals and they're objectively terrible investments. But for the time being, they seem to be doing extremely well, including this other one called Safe Moon. And the ridiculous part is they're holding absurd valuations. They don't just explode and crash. They explode and hold those valuations. So Doge is holding 32 cents, which is absolutely ridiculous. I do not understand how that's possible. Taking a look at Bitcoin. So obviously Bitcoin is in a state of limbo. A lot of people don't know if this was truly the top here, and we are having a full reversal, or if this is just another correction. And guys, I don't think this is the top of the cycle. That would make absolutely no sense to me. And a top doesn't really look like this. Usually there's a distinct parabolic run up to a clear high, followed by, a pretty severe crash. But we're basically trading sideways, and having 3 tops like this is absolutely no indication of a cycle top here. So I don't think this is the top of the cycle. And if it is, that would be the absolute weirdest top ever. So I don't think this is the top of the cycle. However, this is Bitcoin here in 2014, 2013. And this was the first bull run ever. And this is the weekly chart, by the way. So you can see that we had one top here, and then we consolidated for a few weeks, and we had another top. So we had a double top bull run. And this could be what's playing out here in the short term. So we could see a move that we've had so far like this, zooming out here, a top, and then a few weeks of consolidations, or even a few months. So this was actually a few months of consolidation, followed by another parabolic run up, and that would be the top. So that's very possible. That might be what's playing out here. But ultimately, I definitely don't think this is the top of the cycle, and I think we have a lot more to go. However, in the immediate short term, obviously the market is just in a state of limbo, like I said, and we could continue to go sideways. There's not really a clear bottom indicator just yet. Although at $50,000, you can see we had a very strong bounce. However, we have not really seen a decisive bottom just yet, and I think the absolute lowest we can go, and I'm not saying we will get there, but I think the absolute lowest we can go in the short term, if we do have a worst case scenario, is $42,000. And if we see that happen on Bitcoin, obviously Cardano is going to plummet with it, along with the rest of the altcoins. But really, I mean, we'll just have to see how Bitcoin plays out here, because there's no clear decision, there's no clear momentum in one way or the other. Bitcoin is still struggling to get above 60K, and that is reflected in the altcoins as well. So you can see Cardano had a fake out here out of the ascending triangle and then crashed back into it, which was definitely not something I was expected, but that's just how the market fools you. And I'm sure a lot of people entered a long position here and got absolutely wrecked because we came as low as $1.05 here. So you can see Cardano is above the 50-day, which is a good sign. We're also above that really strong area of resistance at $1.22, so that's a good sign as well. However, like I said, until Bitcoin shows a clear direction, I think that Cardano and the rest of the altcoins will continue to trade sideways because there's just too much uncertainty in the market of whether this was the top or the bottom, and this is going to be reflected in the charts as just sideways trading action. So yes, I definitely was expecting Cardano to hit crazy valuations in April, like $1.80, and potentially break $2. But clearly I was wrong, and I guess you don't always get what you expect. So we could see some more sideways action from Cardano here in the short term, or we might not. We'll just have to see what Bitcoin does. Clearly just in a state of uncertainty and sideways action right now, and I think this will continue to be reflected in the charts until Bitcoin makes a decisive move, either to the downside or to the upside. But you can see we've had basically 4 daily candles here of just sideways trading action. Taking a look at the Cardano Ethereum chart, you can see that we broke the incredibly strong area of support here, which is definitely not a good sign. So this is a chart that we've been tracking for quite some time now, and you can see we did get a break beneath this crucial level here on the Cardano Bitcoin valuation, which is definitely not good. It shows that Cardano is quite weak relative to Ethereum, and I honestly did not expect this to break, but obviously it did break here. And there is no immediate support beneath us until basically 4,000 or 40,000 here. So you can see we are continuously dumping relative to Ethereum. Ethereum is showing a lot of strength in this bull run in the short term. So this is definitely not a good sign for Cardano, but obviously I'm still hyper bullish on ADA in the mid to long term for the remainder of the bull run. Now we have a big announcement coming from Charles and IOHK, and that is the Africa special. So we all know that there's a lot of things happening between Cardano and Africa, specifically Ethiopia, and we have Charles here posting this tweet, filming for the Africa special, see you guys soon. And we also have IOHK making an announcement here on Twitter. Blockchain comes of age, announcing a very special event, hashtag Cardano Africa, Thursday 29th of April 2021 at 16:30 UTC time. And they posted a little video here. I'll link the tweet in the description if you want to check out this video. So obviously there's some big news coming from Cardano here, and we're going to be told exactly what's going on the 29th. We don't know exactly what's going on, but we have some very good ideas. So this is basically this link here, africa.cardano.org, takes you to this website here. And you can see they're just talking about the event that they're having. And they also have a bunch of partners down here. And if we just take a look at the kind of partners that they're showing off, you can see they're all payment partners. They all have to do with transactions and payments using cryptocurrency. So you can see here, buy and sell crypto online. Here we have Bitpanda, which allows you to buy things with cryptocurrency. And we also have Payway, which allows you to pay for your utility bills. So instant, convenient, and secure. So this kind of gives us an idea of what's going on and what we've been waiting for so long. So Cardano is looking to be a financial platform for Ethiopia to handle all kinds of payments in the country. So that's really exciting. And obviously if we'll see how this affects price. I'm not going to say that Cardano is going to pump on April 29th. It kind of basically depends on what Bitcoin does. But this is definitely really exciting. And we've been obviously waiting for this and anticipating this event for quite some time now. So we'll have to see what happens on April 29th. Pretty exciting. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Also hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And join the Discord. I'll leave a link to that down in the description below. And with that out of the way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.